Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this phone. So it has data port, LCD with real date and week display, LCD contrast with 5 levels. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to read more about it to save some time, my friends. So caller ID phone as well. So over here, some more main features. Pause the video and read the features. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out. So guys, this is inside the box, and what's nice about this, there is a 2-meter long telephone line and a cord that comes with this. So as you guys can see, a lot of you guys actually probably grew up with one of these phones. You may even still have one. On the back you got your double line, so most people probably grew up with one of these. This is just an updated version of what you probably grew up with. So you go ahead and plug in your line right there, and then you take this on the back and you go and plug in your line as well right through here. So after you have your line plugged in, you're going to want to then connect your cable line in as well. So go ahead and connect your cable line. They do provide you with it. You can also connect, make sure you read your manual to go over all the features and everything. It's going to tell you in details more. We're just showing you guys the setup and how it looks. So this is it. Overall, it is very nice with a lot of features.